Hi, hello. Welcome back to another trick tip video. Today I wanted to go over the Casper. The Casper is another useful stationary trick that can be used for chaining together a bunch of other stationary tricks. It's good for doing combos like going from rail to Casper or truck stand to Casper. Your options for chaining and comboing tricks together is literally endless, and this is going to become a vital trick for you to learn so that you can combo together a whole bunch of other stationary tricks. There's lots of different ways to get into a Casper, but I'm just going to show you the most commonly used one. I've heard this referenced as a flop to Casper before. It's the easiest way I can think of to get in and out of a Casper. And I'll just show you some examples, and I'll show you what your footwork should look like and how you can get in and out of this trick. So let's just start off with a couple examples at a couple different angles. Now the stance for getting into a Casper is going to look something like this. It's pretty similar to getting into a rail stand. The only difference really is that you want your back foot, instead of being over the truck so it can stand on the wheel, you want it to be further back so that it can flip over and you can put all of your weight onto your back foot when it's on that tail. Your front foot should be around the front truck, but as long as your feet are around shoulder width apart, you should be okay. Once your feet are in position and you're ready to go into the Casper, push down on your front foot while also leaning back onto your back foot. Once the board flips over and your foot is on the tail, put all of your weight onto your back leg while fully extending your front foot to keep the board up and off the ground. If your front foot is touching the ground during this trick, then it doesn't really count. Once you're ready to get out of the Casper, then start to jump and move your legs sort of in like a scissor kick motion, flipping the board back over and catching it with your front foot. Then grab the board with your back foot, land onto the grip tape, and you're done. Now, if you have a single kick board, doing this trick on that flat nose is easier to get your balance, and it requires less effort to get into the stance and to flip out of it. But it is possible to do it on a kicked tail as well, which I'll show you some examples here. And it's not too daunting to go from a flat nosed Casper into a kicked one. It feels a little bit different, but you will get used to it if you just keep trying it. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. I hope this trick tip helped you into getting to understanding the massive world of Caspers. Like I said before, there's a ton of opportunity with this trick, and the possibilities are endless. If you look online, there's tons of other trick tip tutorials on how to do rail to Caspers or Casper to Caspers or nose Casper to Casper. Literally, it's endless. So go out there, ride your board, try to learn a Casper, and then see what else you can do with it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me a ton. Like the video, comment, let me know if this helped you. Let me know how your freestyle skateboarding is going. And I will see you in the next one. See you guys.